Welcome back to Deep South EDC. It's that time again. Got to sharpen up our tools. So this is my Leatherman Skeletool, and it is in need of a sharpening. So it doesn't really shave hair anymore, you know. So I got the Worksharp Guided Field Sharpener here. We're just going to get started. I'm going to start on the coarse side. Because we really use this thing cutting through wires and all kinds of stuff. This is just the regular basic Skeletool, nothing fancy, but definitely works well. Does everything I need it to do. Usually carry it at work. You know, it's got the man, these mosquitoes are swarming. It's just got the knife and, you know, the screwdriver, and then the pliers, of course, you know, the basics. It's a hot, humid one today. It's supposed to rain a little later, so that'll cool it down for a little bit, but just drives that humidity right back up. I flipped it over to the fine side of the diamond plate there. We're getting there. A lot of people think you have to push real hard when you pass the knife along, and you really don't. You just want nice, even strokes. Nice and even. Sometimes I, you know, even forget myself and get real hasty and want to push down really hard and go really fast, and that's not necessary. All right, switch over to the ceramic here. These mosquitoes are after me today. Fuck off. Do a couple more passes on the ceramic. One more. Alright, we'll switch over to the leather. Got that leather strop here. Now on the leather, you want to go backwards with the blade. Otherwise, you'll cut into it, you know. You want to just go backwards. All right, and now if we wanted to, we have these serrations here, and we do have the ceramic here, so we could sharpen those up a little if we wanted to. And then we even got this one right here, so we could do these little guys. All right, let's see how we did. Whoops. Well, we're definitely hair shaving sharp now, so that's better than it was before. So, there you go, guys. We'll see you on the next one.